Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muiz bin Nur Azam. I'm from 4BA section 2 group 1. First of all, I want to thanks to my first panel and second panel. My first panel is Technologies Aminur Rashid bin Nordin, and my second panel is Technologies Saliha binti Muhammad Saleh for giving me opportunity to present my bachelor degree project. Not forget to my supervisor, which is Encik Muhammad Farid bin Ibrahim, and my co-supervisor Puan Rohaina binti Jaafar, for always guiding me to finish this project. Next, I will explain my project, which the title is Smart Car System with Security Protection by using Android and Microcontroller. For introduction, car is a wheel motor vehicle used for transportation. Every people in this world, wherever, what country, car is the most important vehicle that everyone must have. Every car that has been produced has its own benefits and design, but all of them have the same criteria, which is can control for driving, parking, passenger comfort, and variety of life. Every car already installed this car alarm system when the car start produced before selling it. So for the problem segment, industry compete each other to make a new car with high system, especially not using key to start the engine, just by using push button and high alarm system. However, the world still has an increasing crime rate, especially car theft. Some of the four owner usually forgot where they put their keys. For the objective, first, to analyze the operation system of car security protection by using Android and Arduino. And second, to design and develop car security protection by using Android application and Arduino communicate with GSM module. So this is for my research methodology. So first, I will explain about the flow chart. Okay, this flow chart is first we start with identify the objective and problem statement of this study. Then make some research and literature review had been done by several of source from internet and journals. And then at this stage, here comes some ideas and brainstorming in making the best solution of the project. And at the same time, the base Arduino is selected with some other components to meet capability with design circuit project of the smart car system. Okay, after that, hardware with simulation circuit is developed by appropriate checking continuity, modifying program, troubleshooting, and testing. Same goes to this stage. The process will repeat until the smart car system is worked. Next stage will be analyzing the whole project that had been developed, and some discussion had been made from the outcome result. At last, a conclusion for this project will be generated based on the result and had been collected. So this is my methodology, which I use ultrasound sensor, Bluetooth module HC05, GSM Sims 900A, Arduino Mega 2506 as a main microcontroller, and the software that I use is two, which is Arduino IDE and MIT App Inventor. So this is my result discussion. So from the analysis, from first analysis is used to analysis the distance of ultrasonic sensor. The effect by distance from the analysis, it shows that when the distance below 7 cm, the sensor is detected, but the alarm not respond and the SMS will not respond because the program that had been created is must be 7 cm and above. From disable, after distance 7 and above, the ultrasonic sensor is working fine, including the alarm, and the SMS will send the SMS until the 17 cm and above. The ultrasonic sensor does not detect in proper course the car being lifted to height, so that after 17 cm, the serial motor shows that the system is much more than the usual distance. So from the table analysis table 2, which is I analysis with different surface of area. So this from surface area I use 5 types. So the which is one is grass, tile, tar, soil, and wet. The alarm response for 5 surface area is correctly yes, and the sensitivity level for grass, tile, and tar has high sensitivity level, but the soil and wet which have medium sensitivity level for the ultrasonic sensor. So for the GSM output result, the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the GSM so that it will send message via SMS to the owner. So the GSM module will send message when the car lifted 7 cm and above. Serial motor will show the GSM try to connect to the SIM card network. After connected, then wait for the car lifted to 7 cm, then the serial motor will be shown the distance of car lifted. Furthermore, the serial motor will show that the GSM ready to send to the owner, and the owner will get the message via SMS. So for the conclusion, for overall of smart car system, the objective for this project had been achieved successfully. This smart car system is capable for use to any kind of car in real life, including for truck and lorry. The GSM is capable to send a message via SMS to the owner, for owner always be alert of their own car. This smart car system also can use an Android application to start up car engine. For safety of owner, the application using username and password to log in the application. So this is my reference, which is from Hildebrand, Bach Racha, and Pollard.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will proceed to my presentation. This is my final prototype of my projects, bachelor degree projects. So this is the distribution box for including the all connection that had been connect with will be placed inside this distribution box. And this is the example car of the real car. So the three function I will be made for this project is: first, by using Android applications; second, I will be using the alarm system, actual alarm system that have been assembled to the car before selling it, which is the alarm system, which is from door or windows. And the third function is when the thief want to stolen by the car by using towing truck, so it will be activate the alarm and send the SMS to the owner. Okay, so for this project I use two supply, which is the USB for connected to the laptop to see the serial monitor, and the 240 volt to the 12 volt. So this is connected to the 12 volt. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, I want to proceed to my presentation of my final project, which is this is my interface for my Android application. So this is my Android application, smart car system with security protection by using Android and Arduino. So first I will have to connect to the Bluetooth. So I take to the Bluetooth and then I on it. Okay, from what you see, the HC05 is already connected to my smartphone. So now I have to open my smart car system application. So this is my interface for my Android application, which is smart car system. So this is for login, I use my card metric number for my username, and for password I use one until 6. But if I put wrong password and wrong username, it will be like this. Okay, it will say wrong username and wrong password. So if I enter correctly my username and my password, then it will go to the second screen, which is, and the right username and right password will be pop up. So it will be like this, and then after that I must connect to the Bluetooth, which is this first 24. Okay, then it will be say connected to my HC Bluetooth module, and then when I start the engine, the light will be the LED will be light up, and when you start engine, the LED will light off. So this my I will use this system for switch to the actual, which is using push button, but we start engine by using the Android. But in this my case, I use only LED for the prototype of my applications. So when I put the home page, then it will go to the next page. After this, I will show you the output of my another applications. Thank you. Okay, now I will show you my second function of my prototype project. And the second function is when the thief want to stolen my car. So when it open my windows like that, like this, then the alarm will on and the buzzer will start burst for every second. So when I push the sensor, then the alarm will be off, and this system I put for the two door, this door and this. Okay, this is my third process of my smart car system. So the third process is when the thief want to stolen the car by using towing truck. So I put the ultrasonic sensor in behind the car. So above the then the process will be when the towing truck is lift up the car by 7 cm and above, the alarm will on off and the SMS will test okay. Then the message will get from the owner like this: warning alert, your car has been stolen. Okay, that's all for the third process of my project. That's all from my presentation bachelor degree project. Thank you.